Have you ever wondered which folding smartphone is best for you? The powerful and solid Galaxy Z Fold 7 or the stylish and compact Galaxy Z Flip 7? Today, we will analyze these two Samsung flagships on all counts, from design and screen to performance, autonomy and real usability. One of them is designed as a real mini tablet, and the other is a stylish gadget for every day. In this video, there will be an honest comparison without fanaticism and without advertising. So make yourself comfortable and we'll get started. Today, two of Samsung's newest foldable smartphones, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and the Galaxy Z Flip 7, are meeting head to head. These are two completely different approaches to the same idea, a flexible form factor. The Fold 7 is a high-performance station wagon that aims to replace both a smartphone and a tablet. Flip 7 is a lightweight, compact, and stylish smartphone that relies on convenience, portability, and appearance. And now we will analyze in detail all the key differences so that you can understand which one is right for you. By the way, if you like such honest comparisons, subscribe to the channel and write in the comments which gadgets to disassemble in the next issue. Your support really helps the channel grow. Let's start with the design. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 still looks like a mini tablet. When folded, it is quite massive, but it is thinner and lighter than the previous generation. The design has become stronger, the hinge is more compact, and the external display is more convenient for one-handed use. The Galaxy Z Flip 7, on the other hand, is about style and minimalism. It folds into a neat compact, fits easily into a pocket, and feels like an ordinary smartphone when opened. These are two opposites. Fold is focused on functionality. Flip is focused on comfort and style. Screen. The Fold 7 received two displays. An external 6.3-inch display with a frequency of 120 Hz and an internal flexible 7.6-inch AMOLED display with the same 120 Hz. It is practically a tablet with top picture quality. Flip 7 is also not far behind. The external screen has increased and now allows you not only to watch notifications, but also to fully manage applications. The internal display is 6.7 inches, AMOLED, 120 Hz. It's bright, high contrast, and perfect for content, games, and social media. But in terms of immersion, Fold is certainly ahead. The large screen makes it ideal for movies, work, and multitasking. Flip is more convenient for everyday tasks and does not overload. Efficiency. Both devices are equipped with the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chip, which provides top-end speed and energy efficiency. Any applications, games, rendering, editing are not a problem for these smartphones. The difference is not in power, but in the usage scenario. The Fold 7 is better suited for multitasking, document management, editing, and heavy tasks due to its large screen. Flip 7 is a gadget for fast, easy-use social media, photos, and videos. It's no less powerful, but it's not designed to replace a laptop. Cameras. The Fold 7 is equipped with a triple camera system with a main 50MP sensor, an ultra-wide, and a TV speaker. The quality of photos and videos is excellent, the flagship level. The front camera is hidden under the screen, which makes use more convenient. The Flip 7 also received an improved camera system, but the emphasis is on versatility and style. The main 50MP sensor and ultra-wide module allow you to take great pictures. The main difference is the shooting capabilities. The Fold 7 is a powerful tool for content, while the Flip 7 is for easy, everyday shooting. Autonomy. The Fold 7 is equipped with a more capacious battery and is designed for a full day of active operation. A large screen consumes more power, but Qualcomm and Samsung's optimization is doing its job. Flip 7 is a little more modest in terms of autonomy, but in real conditions it also easily withstands the day. Both support fast charging and wireless technology. It's time to remind you, if you want to see more such detailed comparisons, subscribe to the channel right now. And in the comments, write down which gadget you would put in the next match. Now let's talk about convenience and usage scenarios. The Fold 7 is actually a workstation. It is convenient to edit documents, work with tables, correspond, and even edit videos. It pairs well with the S Pen, turning the device into a tool for designers, business users, and creators. The Flip 7 is aimed at a wider audience. It's a stylish flagship that's perfect for everyday life. It is convenient to shoot content for social networks with it. It fits easily into your pocket and opens instantly. Software. Both devices run on One UI based on Android 15, but the Fold 7 has received more optimizations for the big screen. Multitasking, split screen mode, dock panel, and the ability to work with multiple applications simultaneously. Flip 7 is simpler in this regard, but now its external screen supports many more functions, including launching full-fledged applications without opening the device. Sound and multimedia. The Fold 7 is a multimedia monster. The large screen and powerful stereo speakers give an effect almost like on a tablet. Flip 7 also sounds good, but because of the smaller size, the sound is slightly less voluminous. For movies, games, and presentations, Fold looks preferable, while Flip is ideal for everyday content. Price. The Fold 7 is an expensive flagship. It is designed for those who want maximum features in one device and are willing to pay for it. The Flip 7 is cheaper, while remaining a very powerful and stylish device. This makes it a more affordable and mass-market option. The final comparison. The Fold 7 is an all-rounder for work, creativity, and multimedia. Flip 7 is a stylish and compact smartphone for everyday life. Both are incredibly powerful, both are technologically impressive, but their target audience is different. If you want a smartphone that can replace your tablet and laptop, the Fold 7 is a great choice. If style, compactness, and convenience are important to you, Flip 7 will be an ideal option. My opinion as an author is that I would choose the Fold 7. Yes, it's more expensive and larger, but its versatility, screen, and multitasking capabilities give me more freedom. But I perfectly understand those who choose Flip 7. It is also a flagship, but in a lighter and more convenient form. Subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss the following comparisons, and write in the comments what devices you want to see in the next release.